Hey guys, so I got mad at Amazon, right, last week or 2 weeks ago because I ordered a couple of things on Amazon and guess what? They couldn't ship because they say they want to verify that the account is mine. I sent the verification they asked for. They come back and they're like, oh no, sorry, we cannot verify like this. Da, 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 da. So I was like, you know what, Amazon, you're just stressing me for nothing. So I decided to order on Temu last week. And I wasn't sure what I was gonna get, but I've been tracking, like, so two of my orders apparently, well, one order says it has been delivered and the other one is on its way. So I'm so excited to actually see what I got. I'll show you guys as well what I got, obviously, but I want to see if it's here because I just checked my email now. Like, I check my email every hour on the hour and it says your order has been delivered, and I'm like, that's not possible. I'm sitting here at home and no doorbell rang, nothing at all. You guys can see here it says Temu order delivered. But yeah, so guys, let's go to the door and see if something is at the door, because how, Temu, are you a scam? Temu, are you a scam? And you know what I'm worried about? I'm worried about all the things that I've been seeing on social media. Well, that I've seen for a long time on social media, where people receive Temu stuff and it's like miniature things. It's like this big. So I'm like, woo! But if this works out, because I'm so impressed as well. I ordered these things on Friday and today's Tuesday. If they're here already, let's see what has come. Let's see what has come. Okay. Yes. Oh my word, babe. Babe has to do this because I cannot. And there's another one here. Ooh, guys. My Temu stuff has started coming, so I can order from Temu. I can't wait to order again. Let's bring them in. Oh, guys. Babe and I bought these the other day when we went to what's this? Walmart to buy breakfast stuff, and he was like, oh, let's get a pumpkin. I was like, okay, like, say no more. Halloween stuff. I need to put it outside. Ooh, this is our laundry bag. Ooh. Okay guys, I'll show you guys these things later, but this one I cannot take upstairs. It's very heavy because this is for the bedroom, which I'm so happy about. It says fragile, so it's arrived, and I will show you guys later because now I need to make breakfast. It's 11 a.m. well, after 11, but I need to make breakfast. So I'll see you guys when I make the laundry basket. I hope it looks okay. I don't know if I'm still missing one item or not. I'm wondering what else did I buy from Temu. Anyways, guys, I'm so excited. Can't wait to show you guys like what we got, because finally it's here. What else did I get from Temu? Did I just get 2 things? I feel like I got 3 things. I'll check my order. Okay, guys, so let's open up this. I hope it's the right one, because even if it isn't, I don't think I will return it because it's just a laundry basket. But, oh, it is. Okay, perfect. So I got this laundry basket because I want us to separate our laundry nicely, properly. So, I need to assemble it, guys. Oh my word. How do I assemble it? It looks simple enough. Is it like this? I think it is. Yeah. You see this thing of not reading instructions and all of that. Phew. Guys, there's 4 of these things. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's an instruction manual. Let me just look at that. Ah, you see. So I have to first do this, right? Have it like that, or like this, I don't know. like that, and have one connect here on one of them, maybe the other way. One connect here, it's in. I guess another one connect here. Guys, I'm doing these things by myself. I'm so proud of myself. Babe, when babe gets here, it will all be ready. See? Just read the instruction manual, guys. I have done so many of these without the instruction manual that that's the top part or bottom part, or whatever part you want to call it, but it's a part, and then the rest. Okay, let me show you guys the rest of it, and then I'll show you guys once it's done put together, because you guys don't need to watch me assemble this. But this is the laundry basket. You see it has black, like dark laundry, light laundry, and color laundry. And then inside it also has divisions. You guys can see, so it's divided nicely to the different color counts. This is what I wanted. I know initially I wanted like those fancy, beautiful baskets, but I'm like, practically I'm not finding them. So I will update if I ever find them, but for now this is what I have and this is what I'm working with, and I'm happy with it. So let's set this up and I will show you guys when it's done and upstairs in the laundry. Okay, maybe we do a little setup tutorial. So once the frame is set up, this nice thing has these parts here where you can just strap it in together like that to make it sit in place. Oh gosh, it's not as... I'll let you guys know if this is worth it or not, because right now I'm like, was this worth it? Was it not? We'll use it and we'll see if we like it or not. But for now, it should work. Guys, can you see this? Oh my word, it's actually not that bad. I'm just being dramatic. I'm so dramatic, unnecessarily dramatic. Maybe put the arms outside so I can, I don't know. Let's just make it and we'll see. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. It's not that bad. And it's not so big. I thought it was like huge. But you see what I was saying, guys. So the different compartments. So this length thingy is adjustable. I don't like that it moves around a lot. But we can pick it up like this. It closes up, you see? And we can take it upstairs. Let's take it upstairs and set it up. We already have like a lot of clothes. You see, this is how we've been keeping our stuff here. So now I have this and I'll be able to put our clothes in here for laundry. And there's laundry that needs to be packed that we did on the weekend. So, and I want to do laundry again today. So let's pack this and see where we'll put it. But I'll just put it in front of the washer because it fits the space. I thought it was going to be huge. It's actually very tiny. Think it works. It's just for babe and I, so I've put in our stuff, darks, lights, well, whites and color. So I'm so happy because this is what I wanted to do. I wanted to sort our things so that when we do the laundry, when it's full, because now you see it's just a mixture of everything, which is not good. This is not good. I'm going to be doing better from now on. So yeah, guys. Now we wait for babe to come back and we will do the rest of... This is our laundry, guys. This is our laundry. We'll do the rest of the order that we received. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later when baby's back or when I pick up the camera again for something else. So for now, toodles.